Hello guys, welcome back. Let's have a look into a BTC and Ethereum. But before we start, I hope that you enjoy and learn from the video. As usual, I'll provide a key educational content. But before we start, hit the like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already to show the appreciation. Now without wasting a time, let's dive in. Starting from BTC, a weekly time frame. Last night we closed weekly candle. 2 weeks ago, as you see, we had an indecision candle. As a result, we saw a decent dump in the market. So it is too early for us to analyze the weekly time frame, but what I'm expecting is if we're going to close this week above $56,700, $57,000, that we will have a bullish engulfing. However, we need to look into a lower time frames for that in order to look into it. A daily time frame. Daily time frame is still healthy and bullish, and today's candle, again, we've got 8 hour plus time. As you can see, we've got a nice bullish engulfing candle that is covering these 3 candles. Moving on to 4 hour time frame. When we look into a 4 hour time frame that you saw, since we reached the all-time high of $65,000, we kept printing a lower highs. As a result, we dumped. That was a first dump. The second lower high structure, we saw second dump, and this structure took place inside the symmetric triangle at around 4 days 4 hours. The next one, I would call it was a mini one, and that took around 2 days 12 hours. So the third one, as you can see, that was a repetition of this symmetric triangle formation that I showed many times. Price action got squeezed out and we had a resistance above us. We couldn't manage to break and we saw a dump in the market. So yesterday, as I said, lower time frames was bearish. We covered 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour time frames, as well as the half an hour time frame was a bearish, which I didn't cover, and as a result we saw another minor dump in the market. So I expected in yesterday's video the price action to come at around 46,400 and 45,300 levels. However, the price didn't reach to the upper line of this resistance and got rejected right from 46,800 level. 4 hour time frame still under the bear's control, and we've got, as I said, 48 hours to 72 hours to break this level. Even though if we're going to manage to break and stay above within 24 hours at this resistance level, highly likely it may be a fake out. Then we're going to come to test and we will see some sort of consolidation. It is not a scenario at the moment. I'm saying that the time factor in this channel, I'm keep repeating, is very important. Next 48 and 72 hours we have to stay above to see the continuation of this bullish market. Also, I mentioned yesterday clearly about this major resistance level at around $54,000, and as you can see in a lower time frame that you will see it, how this level was playing out perfectly, because this level is very important. Again, same as a 4 hour time frame, we've got 48 hours plus. We have to stay above this level. We might even in the coming 12 to 24 hours we may stay above, but highly likely we might come back. But lower time frames will show the clear directions. For the BTC, I took a new Fibonacci level today from the recent all-time high all the way yesterday's low. As long as we do not lose this low, this Fibonacci will be active for the coming days and weeks. If we're going to break this recent all-time high, then this Fibonacci retracement, you can use it as an extension if you know how to use it, and that will help you to determine the next target price. I provided this major resistance level yesterday. As you can see, that matched with our golden zone of 618 Fibonacci level, and today we are rejecting from here. And this support and resistance, I kept mentioning that it is very important, and if you know how to put your levels, horizontal support resistance levels, that will come before the Fibonacci levels. So I show it in this channel many times, and if you want to learn all this technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense mentorship is available. It only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master. After mastering the system, you can do scalping, swing trading, or long-term as an investor. Moving on to 2 hour time frame. None of these levels are changed. In order to be bullish, 2 hour time frame, we have to break this resistance at around 56,200 and 54,800, ideally 56,000 in the next 24 to 48 hours. Then we are good to go. However, at the moment, I'm expecting a rejection around this area and little bit of consolidation and then the market will give us a clear direction. So right at this moment, 2-hour time frame is heavily under the bear's control. 1-hour time frame. So if we're going to pay attention to 1-hour time frame, right in here where I mentioned that this is not going to be easy for the bulls to break this level as well as this resistance level. So you can see it, number of candles, nearly 5 to 6 hours, we're having a battle right inside the major resistance line, where we've got rejection dollar to dollar, cent to cent, keep rejecting under a 1-hour time frame. As I said yesterday, as long as we're going to be staying above 52,400 and 500, we are on the bullish territory. So I will be following this price action at around here under 1-hour time frame in the next 24 hours. As long as we're going to get a fully bullish confirmation on the 1-hour time frame, then I will start moving on to 2-hour time frame. In order to be bullish for 1-hour time frame, we shouldn't break the primary support level of 52,400, 51,500 level. In order to keep the consolidation under 2-hour as well as 4-hour time frame, we shouldn't break this minor support level. In the next 24 to 48 hours, this first support and as well as this minor second support is going to be a crucial level. If we're going to get a rejection right around this area, then highly likely, as I said, we will be ending up at least with a minor support level. And if this minor support level holds, then we will start printing a symmetric triangle. That is a matter of time. We will follow closely and you will get updated in the coming videos or via my Twitter account. If you're not following me, you can follow me at CryptoMagnate8 via Twitter. Market and instant technical analysis updates will be always via Twitter. Moving on to Ethereum. Ethereum under 4-hour time frame, as I said yesterday, it is quite healthy and bullish. However, we expected in yesterday's video, if we're going to see a dump from the BTC, highly likely, as I said, 2090 level will be our support level. As you can see, we went right from the upper line of this support level with a $15 difference. We didn't touch to this level. However, I have a new Fibonacci level and we're going to see that in a minute. Right at this moment, 4-hour time frame is still healthy and bullish. However, I'm following this symmetric triangle under 4-hour time frame. And as I said yesterday, as soon as we're going to be breaking this lower line of support, the first primary target is going to be around 2,515 and the next one will be the new all-time high of 2,615 level. So as you can see, in the last two 4-hour candles, we reached exactly the target of the recent all-time high. And that provided from the bottom, if you put it stop loss down below, it's already provided 15%. However, that would have been safe after breaking this candle, as you see, proper retest, and that would have been given the safest option that already provided you a 10% spot profit. If you're a leverage trader, 10 times that would have been given you already 100% profit, 5 times would be 50% profit. So right at this moment, I'm expecting if the BTC gonna get a rejection from the level, then we're highly likely we will see the rejection from the altcoins and price action will start getting squeezed out right inside this symmetric triangle. And for the Ethereum, in the next 48 to 72 hours, this level is going to be very crucial. If we're going to get a rejection from this level, then 4-hour starts getting into a consolidation or in the bearish territory. Depends how fast BTC will dump. 2-hour time frame. There is nothing much to add. 2-hour time frame still bullish. However, it's not 100% confirmed yet. Again, under 2-hour time frame, lower line of this support line, 2,290 is going to be a crucial level. If we cannot get a fully bullish confirmation under 2-hour time frame, highly likely we will see a lower line of this support line, maybe high time frame support level. 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame still in the bullish territory. However, it is not fully confirmed. And right at this moment, for the 1-hour, 2-hour, 4-hour time frames, at this level, our first primary support is going to be a crucial. So the bullish scenario, if we're going to manage to stay above and get full confirmation on the 1-hour and 2-hour time frames, the first target is going to be 2,850, then 3,000, then the next zone of golden zone of the Fibonacci, $3,220. However, it is too early for us to talk about it. I would like to analyze this market in the next coming 24 to 72 hours to get a clear direction. We came to an end of this episode. If you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.